Hey guys, I'm back with another video on me building this coffee table. I had a lot of fun building this thing, believe it or not. I love the whole Asian kind of theme to it, which was what I was going for. I absolutely love their culture. You know, if you haven't seen my video of me doing this in SketchUp, you should, give that a shot and check it out as well. But had a lot of fun building this. I built it all out of southern yellow pine that I bought from Lowe's. I used 2x4s and 2x8s. I cut out all the real straight grain stuff, used it. On the legs, I made sure I used like rift-sawn pieces to get straight grain on all four sides. The lumber total cost me about $50. So I have this tabletop where it actually slides open and has storage. I have some 18-inch cabinet slides and some latches on here. The latches just make it to where it's pretty hard for a kid to open. But the lumber itself, again, $50. The hardware and everything, $50. So I built this whole table for about $100. You cannot buy something like this in the store for $100 handcrafted. You know, maybe I put a lot of time into it, I will admit that. But I mean, it's my hobby, so I'm having fun while I'm doing it. It's just kind of what I do. I feel, put more time into it, it looks better. I put less time into it, it looks like butt. So I spend a lot of time on my projects. Anyway, I have through mortise and tenons that have been wedged. I have regular mortise and tenons, and I also have a really neat way of suspending this whole center thing, which I did using my lathe. So that was pretty fun as well. So again, had a lot of tons and tons of fun building this. So if you're looking to build a coffee table, maybe you might not want to build this exact one, but maybe you could take away some things from it. Take away some of the, how I did some of the joinery or whatever from this video. Definitely give it a look, and I think you'll like what you see. Again, you cannot buy something like this in the store for $100 or $50 again. So yeah, definitely stick around and see how I build it.